If you want to grow your business with video, you need to get started as quickly as possible. One thing that gets people tripped up is the equipment. When you're first starting out, the best camera to use is the one that you have, which for many of you will be the camera on your smartphone. A smartphone can't replace a professional camera, but it can come really close, especially for social media videos. Now, don't fool yourself, it's just a smartphone, and the goal is at some point to hire someone to help you create and share your videos. I know that cameras and technology can be fun and an escape for some people, but if you want to grow your business with video, you need to start today. You need to stop thinking about it and just get started. To help you get started quickly, I'm going to give you my smartphone accessories recommendations coming up next. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to make and market your videos to grow your business, click the subscribe button and make sure you click the bell to get notified when we post a new video. If you're getting ready or thinking about creating videos for social media, and if a smartphone is the only camera that you have, it should be the camera that you use. So here are the accessories that will make your videos easier to create and easier for your audience to watch. The first thing you need is an external microphone. While the camera on your smartphone is good for video, its built-in microphone isn't. Now, here's my iPhone 6s. Here's what the built-in microphone sounds like on my phone. Now I'm still using my professional cinema camera to record the video, but the audio is being recorded on my phone. I typically have a microphone up here that you can't see off screen, and you can tell that using the microphone that's built into the phone, it sounds terrible. It's about 6 to 8 feet away from me, and this is the proper distance that you'd probably have it to record a video, maybe half that, maybe 4 feet. Here's what the built-in microphone on my phone sounds like at 4 feet away. As you can tell, it's not much different than when I had it 8 feet away. The number one rule for a microphone is that it needs to be as close to the source as possible. So with your camera even a few feet away, it'll sound hollow and empty. You could also use the headphone microphone that came with your phone, but those look funny on camera. If they're all you can afford, then I understand, but please upgrade as soon as you can. If you don't already have a microphone, I'd recommend this Audio-Technica Lav Mic. This is the best microphone that I've found that's under $30. And I'd also recommend purchasing a few of these extra button batteries, because no matter how hard I try, I keep forgetting to shut the microphone off. This is a wired lavalier microphone. And as you can see, it's got lots of cable. It's actually got 19 feet of cable. And I recommend a wired lav mic as opposed to a wireless mic, because the wireless mics are a pain. They drop signal. Now there's some exceptions. We have some digital lavs that we love here at Miller Farm. But if you're recording on your own with your smartphone, a wired lav is the way to go. You can buy two and do an interview with somebody else. It's just a great overall microphone. It works on Android and iOS. There are other microphones on the market, but for the money, this is the one that gets you started the fastest. If you're using an iPhone that doesn't have a standard headphone jack, like all the new iPhones don't, make sure you buy an adapter. And depending on how many videos you'll be creating, you may want the adapter that allows you to charge your phone while you're recording. People don't like to watch videos that are visually uncomfortable. Yes, I know there are a lot of videos online where someone's holding the camera while walking and talking at the same time, but this makes the video hard to watch, especially the older you get. If you find a video like this that's easy to watch, they're probably using a gimbal, which requires extra equipment and possibly an extra person to run it. So the fastest way to get started is by using a tripod. This will ensure that your video is watchable. There's nothing magical about my tripod recommendation. If you already have one, I'd recommend using that one. As a matter of fact, the only thing good about this tripod is that it makes your video steady. It isn't good for panning or tilting. I recommend standing for all your videos. It will make you seem more live on camera. Now this tripod is 6 feet tall. If you're over 6 feet tall, you'll need to put it on a table or something like a desk, making sure you get the right height. You don't want to tilt the camera up, because then it'll be looking up your nose. And you can try sitting down for your videos and see if it works for you. We find unless you're used to sitting and talking on camera, that it makes people look less energetic because the camera sucks some of that energy out. If you need a tripod, you can get this tripod under $30. I prefer this tripod to one of these tripods. I mean, they're cute and all, but you have to find something to attach it to, or you put it on a table and it's never tall enough. Stick with a tripod that'll get up to your height. Now the tripod I recommended doesn't come with a cell phone holder. You need a reliable way to mount your phone to the tripod. I like this tripod holder from Vastar. It's under $10, and what I like about it is that it rotates vertically and horizontally, so that if you want to shoot live video, you just have to turn your phone. And it also lets you screw down your phone with this neat feature. Make sure that if you do buy this, that your phone will fit. I'd recommend you have some kind of phone case, just in case that you forget about the fact that you're connected to the phone with a microphone and you walk away. If you were to pull the tripod over, a case would keep your phone from being damaged. The other great part about this is if you do have your phone in a case, you don't have to remove the case to lock your phone into this mount. Now, obviously, there are a lot more expensive things that you can purchase, but I don't think you need them to get started. I don't think you need lights. You can use window light. I'll create another video about that in the future, and I'll make sure that gets linked here and in the description below. If you're looking for a way to take your video to the next level, I have a bonus recommendation for you. If you're using the camera on the back of your phone, I recommend a close-up lens from Moment. It'll make you and the background that you're standing against look better. It goes on the back of your camera. I've got an older model phone, so it actually just clips on like this. For all the new phones, and I believe the only way they sell this now, maybe with the iPhone 6 like I have, it still works like this. We have to buy a case that this goes on, which I think is a great idea. If you're in a really small room, this may not work well for you, and it doesn't work with a front-facing camera. A lot of people recommend a wide-angle lens for the front-facing camera. I don't think this is a good idea because a wide-angle lens isn't flattering. It makes all the features of your face look bigger, and it makes the walls around you change their shape. They get kind of a curve to them. You can get links to all this in the description in the post below. I've also put them in a PDF that you can download to get everything all at once. Do you have any accessories that you like to use with your smartphone to record videos? I'd love to hear about them. Put your recommendations in the comments below. I invite you to watch more of our videos by clicking on the box of the screen. Thanks for joining us this week. I appreciate a like, comment, and share. Come back every week for a new video. You can visit our website at millerfarmmedia.com for more information. And thank you for allowing us to help you make better videos.